Alright guys, this is the project. This is a 2002 YZ85 that I'm fixing for someone. Obviously this thing is very rough. It's been out in the sun outside for years. Look at that. So this guy, he's buying all the parts, paying me to put them on. This thing should actually make a really great transformation. This thing has been sitting for so long. I took off the carb and it's literally gooey inside. Yeah. This thing is in desperate need of a carb clean. So this is what we got going. The main jet is okay. I'm still gonna clean it anyways, but it's this one that's super clogged up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Focus. Yeah, this thing is stupidly clogged up. It's like gooey in this carb. These are the results of our carb now. After the ultrasonic parts cleaner going in there, it looks great. Got all the passages inside of the bowl, and now we're going to go and install this thing. Literally a beehive is growing in this thing. Super rough. But we're gonna bring this whole thing back to life. Right, Lam?
Yep.
Dropped a tiny bit of oil in there. Might have been a little dry, and then we'll do an oil change after this. Dropping some in the cylinder. Check for spark. It has spark. Mason's over here doing wheelies. Mason, shout out your Instagram again.
Mason524.
Link will be in the description. Draining all this old gas out. Yeah, it's leaking from the petcock. Oh, that's nasty.
Oh my god.
What?
Spark plug's not on.
Are you recording that? Yeah.
Here, let me try.
Hold up. God, that thing puked. That thing puked. We gotta turn the idle down. Built like tanks. I already told you the YZ85 is perfect. Holy crap!
Oh my god.
Why didn't I clean this thing out?
Because it didn't feel like it. Alright, here.
Don't forget to check back for part 2. This is all we're going to have time for on this video. We got a lot more stuff coming. Thank you so much for watching.